Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson I want to teach you how to play the very beautiful guitar chord C major 7. C major 7. Now this chord is different from C7 that I've taught you in previous lessons. So let's get started. This is the sound of C major 7. Very beautiful chord. So basically it's your C major chord, and you just lift off your finger number 1 and then play that string open. Play your B string open. Okay? So to play C major 7, you place finger number 2 on string number 4 of the 2nd fret, then stretch your 3rd finger to string number 5 of the 3rd fret, then strum all strings but this top E string. Very beautiful chord. Okay, again, to play C major 7 is basically the C major chord. Just lift off your finger number 1. You can hear the difference. Okay, if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and give me the thumbs up. I'd appreciate that very much. That lets me know that you're enjoying these video lessons. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate it very much. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. Have a great day. God bless you.